Welcome everyone, my name is Federico, and a couple of years ago, I shared with all of you one of my most successful videos. It's time to level up your LinkedIn profile. This is an incredible video where I teach you everything that the recruiters and my own experience taught me about how to succeed in this game, especially if you're not getting a lot of views or not exactly the best results for you. Maybe you can get strange offers like, hey, would you like to be a front-end engineer? But I'm working as a manager. Well, that happened to me multiple times. Trust me, if your profile doesn't have the best things, the algorithm is not gonna play in your favor. But we can summarize this video in one description. Focus on results. Nothing is more important than this, especially in these times. Because, well, we should never write job descriptions. We must focus on writing specific accomplishments. And you will say, Federico, how is that possible? But I only know what I'm doing in the office. Well, did you know that ChatGPT also knows that? It can create every description that you can imagine. To be a nurse, to work in a call center, to be a senior systems engineer working for Microsoft. Pretty much, he knows all these small details. What ChatGPT doesn't know is what you have really done in the company, like my work as an IT delivery manager for Ericsson and as a software architect, leading different teams, developing multiple services, all these things. ChatGPT has no idea about it. So, summarizing, remember, focus on results. Nothing is more important than this. And now it's time to go to the next stage and to even higher in your career. It's time to level up your LinkedIn profile, volume 2. And we're going to start with a new feature that I've seen recently. It's called Top Skills. So how Top Skills works? I'm sure you have seen that LinkedIn has a section that is for the skills. But did you know that you can add them to your profile, to your specific roles? Sounds incredible. So let's watch a video in real time how this new feature works. As you can see, this is my profile, and we're going to go in depth. There are some top skills in my about. I'm going to remove one of the old ones because I would like to add my new one of ChatGPT. I add it, and voila! The new skills are visible. The same can apply for your current positions that are coming from the skills also. And we're going to do an experiment with an old profile. I'm going to add a project management profile, even though I have never done it in that specific role. I'm going to add it. And after that, I'm going to refresh the page, and we're going to see that it's automatically added. Cool. As you can see, it was added. But as I said before, this is not something I did. I'm going to remove it. And in the blink of an eye, this was removed also from my old profile. Incredible, don't you agree? In my opinion, this feature can save you a lot of time because I have seen a lot of people writing in each profile, I work with ASP.NET, I work with these technologies, I did this and that. Instead of focusing on results, you're able to highlight this, you're saving a lot of time. But before going further, I would like to encourage you to hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, because we would like to get at least 500 subscribers before the end of the year. The next skill is called Demonstrate Transferable Skills. This is a new hit that I found recently. Let's check a new video about it. In this one, when you go to the skills section, you can demonstrate a skill, and you can add some of them like sales, where you have the option to write a description and tell to the people, hey, I am the best salesman, or to record a short video telling about the experience of something you have accomplished. Incredible, without a doubt. These short videos are going to be visible for every recruiter that is visiting your profile, especially when you're applying for a position. It saves you a lot of time. And the last one that they started a couple of years ago is called Test Skills Assessment. We're going to check another video of everything working in action. Again, we're going to click in Demonstrate the Skills. We're going to go in depth. We're going to choose one of these tests. I'm going to take a Microsoft Azure test. You can start the test, you can answer your questions, and at the end, you're gonna have it added to your profile. So we need to search for it, because if it's not one of the first skills, you need to search and scroll. But you're gonna have a new badge that is telling that you took an assessment. And in my case, I was in the top 30% of this test. Overall, LinkedIn has evolved during the last years. And every skill that I show you, and if you watch the first video and implement all these tricks, you are gonna succeed and gonna become more visible. Because trust me, the algorithm is not necessarily your best friend. But if you're able to combine everything, you're going to succeed in this new period in your life. Hopefully, I left you a little bit wiser than I found you. And until the next time, bye.